Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best digital multimeters on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the KAIWETS Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The KAIWETS Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 is a versatile tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It offers true RMS accuracy, ensuring precise measurements of voltage, current, resistance, and more. This multimeter is equipped with a 6000 count display, providing detailed readings for a variety of electrical tasks. It features multiple testing modes, including diode, capacitance, and temperature measurements, making it a great all-in-one tool. The multimeter also includes a backlit LCD display, making it easy to read in low-light conditions, and an auto-ranging feature that simplifies the testing process by automatically selecting the correct range. Built for safety, it has overload protection and is rated Cat 3600V. The device is user-friendly with a durable design, ideal for everyday use in different settings. Number 2 is the Astro AI Multimeter Tester 2000. The Astro AI Multimeter Tester 2000 is a reliable and affordable tool for basic electrical testing. It measures voltage, current, resistance, and more, making it perfect for home use or DIY projects. With its 2000 count display, it offers accurate readings for various tasks, including testing batteries, fuses, and wiring. This multimeter features overload protection, ensuring safe operation, and a clear backlit display for easy reading in low-light conditions. Its compact design and easy-to-use interface make it a great option for beginners and hobbyists looking for a simple yet effective multimeter. And to finish, the first position goes to the Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter is a high-quality tool designed for electricians and professionals. It features true RMS technology, providing accurate readings of nonlinear loads like AC voltage, current, and resistance. The built-in non-contact voltage detection enhances safety by allowing you to test live circuits without direct contact. The multimeter's autovolt function automatically detects AC or DC voltage, simplifying measurements, while the low Z mode prevents false readings caused by ghost voltage. It also has a large backlit display, making it easy to read in dim environments. Compact and durable, the Fluke 117 is designed for daily use and offers the reliability and precision that professionals trust. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 digital multimeters that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.